Yeah, hi Phil, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, this is number 5. Okay, so basically I've taken this one apart. I've done both the cogs, cleaned both the cogs up, checked the micro switch, and put a new laser in there for you. Also, this is the one with a ribbon cable, so I've replaced that ribbon cable on there, and I've replaced the motor that attaches to the ribbon cable, because the other one looked pretty bad, so I just replaced it, so it's not a problem. But I must, you know what, you've got to send me one of them back, okay, because that's very important, because I've had to take it off a working unit. So yeah, that's all good for you, and obviously I've changed the laser in there for you, so I'm just going to push play, and then we can get it all started up, and you can hear it singing and dancing. Let me just turn that music up. So you can see it all working there. That's all good there. So I trust you're happy with that. So yeah, as soon as I get some funds, I'll get these shipped off to you. I'll send them out special delivery for you as well, just to make sure that you get them. Because, you know, obviously it's quite a bit of money. You know, just to send them ordinary delivery. So you should get them like pretty much next day. So I hope you're happy with them, and thank you very much, and ready to go. Cheers Phil for your business, and anything else you need, just give me a shout. Cheers buddy.